Okay people, welcome to the Galaxy S21 real day in the life. Just woke up. It's currently 9:30 a.m. on a Thursday. Currently on 10% battery, and I'm going to be charging this up to 100%, see what kind of battery life we get around throughout the day. And then, yeah, I'll just walk you through how I use my device on a daily basis, and we'll go from there. Maybe test out the camera a little, give you some tips and pointers about how I use the device. Luckily, this thing has fast charging, so this thing can charge up close to full in I think roughly like a half hour, 45 minutes. So let's plop this thing on the charger and get going. Okay, so after I eat breakfast, I normally come back to my room, check the battery percentage. Currently on 63%, it's 10:05, so I was kind of off with those numbers that I mentioned previously. It's normally like 50 to 60% battery charge in a half hour. Probably a little longer to get up to fully charged because it takes a little longer to get up to 100 compared to 0 to 50. But yeah, now it comes down to I just usually check notifications, see what's going on, email, stuff like that, check my financial stuff, YouTube analytics, and yeah, maybe watch a couple YouTube videos. I'm kind of obsessed with poker vlogs at the moment, so might watch one of those if another one comes out. And yeah, then I'll be on my way. I'll usually do some editing, and yeah, I mainly use my phone for notifications and stuff like that. And they also changed the YouTube Studio icon. That's pretty interesting, and now is a hexagon. So it looks different than the YouTube icon, which is interesting. Let's check that out. The greatest things that was ever introduced on Android, especially the S21, was now like the actual camera on Snapchat is like actually using the camera software on my phone. No longer is it just taking screenshots. It can actually like use some digital processing power from my smartphone, which is great. And another reason why, if you're an Apple user and you're scared to switch to Android, here's another reason why you can use Snapchat with the actual camera. So just finished editing a thumbnail for an upcoming video, so that's exciting. If you're interested on how I transfer files from my camera to my computer, it's with this little tool made by Anchor. If it can autofocus on that, I kind of doubt it. But yeah, this little tool from Anchor, it's USB 3.0, super fast transferring speeds, and it takes an SD card. So that's how I take my SD card off this camera, put it in my computer, use it for thumbnail editing as well as video editing. So this comes in super handy. I'm gonna go check back on my phone what percentage it's on, probably watch a couple videos, get ready, and then go for a quick run, and I will update you guys after that. Also, if you're enjoying this kind of content, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's shoot for 30 likes on this video. I'm raising the bar here. Normally I'll ask for 20. Let's shoot for 30 likes on this video. If we can get it, be super hyped. So I'll see you there. Also, if you guys are interested in investing and you watched my last 2 videos ago, make sure to download the Acorns app, linked in the description. Super easy to get started. You can get yourself a free $5 to start investing if you just use my link. It's a referral link, so obviously I get a benefit from it. Okay, so we just went for a quick run, did my fitness for the day. It's currently 12:46 right now. We're looking at 83% battery life, so getting pretty good battery life as of now. Right now I'm just checking analytics on YouTube for the most part, and also just browsing social media. Not too much work stuff going on my phone today. I have used a little bit of the Todoist app, which is my productivity app, just checking things off the list that I need to accomplish. Got a podcast recording later today. Also, we have a package that came in from Amazon. That is a CPU cooler to go along with my new custom built PC. Overall, just decrease the temperatures and also the fan noise of my current one, which is the basic Wraith Prism CPU cooler. So gonna install that. That's gonna be today's project. And yeah, it's gonna be an exciting one. Probably gonna go eat lunch now, and I will update you guys on the battery percentage of my S21. So just went out, got some lunch at Chipotle. I got the Hyper 212 RGB Black Edition CPU cooler right here. Gonna be installing that later today. Right after this, I have a podcast at 2:30. If I were to check my S21 right now, mainly just use this to actually, one of the uses I use this to is to actually order Chipotle on the app. It's very useful. but it's now 2:11 in the afternoon and we're looking at around 75% on this bad boy. So only lost 25% and we're already like, the day's already halfway over. So getting good battery life so far. And yeah, I like using apps to order food. It's useful. So yeah, if you haven't already go check out my podcast at Unwrapping Success. We have a new season coming up and it's gonna be awesome. And we're gonna have clips incorporated with that. We also have a TikTok page if you wanna go follow us on there. And if you haven't already, follow me on TikTok at Easy Reviews. Okay, so we just wrapped up a filming session for our podcast at Unwrapping Success. Now I'm gonna install my new CPU fan in my computer. It's gonna be very helpful to overall like decrease the fan noise as well as just keeping my CPU cooler so it can run better and perform better. It's currently 4:53 p.m. It's gonna like thunderstorm outside shortly, so the weather's not too great. But we're looking at 68% right now on my Galaxy S21. I haven't really been using it too much, just mainly checking analytics, checking how my most recent video's been doing. It's been doing all right, just browsing the web a little and watching some YouTube videos to pass the time. So that's right now. Let me get into actually installing this fan, getting it going, and we'll see if it actually works with my computer. Hopefully it actually fits. It's supposed to. But let's see. Okay, so I didn't really film an outro for yesterday's video on the day in the life of the S21, but I woke up the next day and I had roughly 27% battery life. So we got through the entire day, had great battery life, and continued to actually use it right now. And now I'm putting it back on the charger and recharging it for today. But if you guys enjoyed this quick video, sorry I didn't get to do too much with the S21. It wasn't a heavy day of usage for me. That's just how things turned out. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for future uploads. Check out Acorn's link down below. And yeah, road to 1,000 subs, guys. I know we can get there. Shoot for 30 likes on this video. Peace out, guys.